We acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today and pay our respects to the elders past, present and emerging.
Hi everybody, it's Miss Monahan here. Welcome to our final version of online assembly as we're coming back to school all together from Monday. Enjoy this edition.
Hi everyone, it's Mr. Cuss. I'll be reading out this week's award winners. In FM we have Susan for her beautiful handwriting when writing a letter to Mr. Cuss and Miss Monahan, and it was fabulous. In F1M, Kiara for the amazing effort you put into all your schoolwork. In 1L, Indigo for switching between school and remote learning effortlessly and with a big smile on her face. In 12AM, Rita settling in very well back at school and working hard. That's what we love to hear. In 2M, Aria for the great enthusiasm you showed when returning back to school. In 3R, Archie for a wonderful return to on-site learning, working hard and showing excellent listening skills. In 3-4P, Jackson for using fantastic expression and projecting his voice clearly while reading a script to the class during Reader's Theatre. In 4D, Amir for his wonderful expressive presentations during Reader's Theatre sessions. You are a natural performer. In 4R, Ben, an excellent presentation and writing formation for our timeline capsule. In 5C, Lucas for always staying in the morning meetings and contributing to class discussions, and we love it when you contribute. In 5D, Yoni for being such a huge help in the morning meetings. He's so smart and thoughtful. In 6G, Caden for always doing your best when submitting your work online. And we've got finally in 6R, Bailey for always having an upbeat and positive attitude. Well done to all of our award winners, and we can't wait to have you all back at school soon. Bye.
Hi guys, it's that time of the week again to introduce our school-wide positive behaviour focus for next week. Our focus will be, can't remember. I better ask someone to help me out. Just a sec. Hey, look, I've forgotten what next week's school-wide positive behaviour of the week is. Do you remember? Oh, thank you for reminding me. Okay, have a great day.
Miss Mortier is the best teacher ever for being so nice, and every day she helps me out.
Miss Mac is the best teacher because she's kind and smart and she helps me when I need help with my work. Miss Lovehouse is the best teacher because she's always kind and whenever someone gets hurt, she's always there. Miss Annan is the best teacher because she keeps us safe. Miss Melva is the best teacher ever in the world because I like her and she is the best for everyone. Miss McLean is the best teacher because she's so nice and she lets us do drawing when we're finishing our work.
Miss Livy is the best teacher because he always plays games after we finish our schoolwork. It's really fun.
As Miss Searle is the best teacher, because even though we're doing math, she still makes it fun. And she also tries to make everything fun, and when she's mad, she doesn't try to yell. And she also encourages us to try again and again.
Mrs. Booker is the best teacher in the world because she's sweet and nice.
Miss DK is the best teacher in the world because she helps out everyone, and she's so kind and sweet because she helps out everyone in our entire classroom.
Miss Rossi is the best teacher because she always has a very warm welcoming into the classroom.
I reckon Miss Chapman's the best teacher. She's funny, nice.
Mr. Connick is the best teacher because he tries to make everything fun for everyone and he tries not to exclude anyone.
Miss Gourlay is the best teacher in the world because he makes online learning mates really fun, and she's a great teacher.
Mrs. Rush is the best teacher because she makes learning very fun for all of us and she's super kind to all of us as well.
Miss Howell is the best teacher in the world because her work is fun and she always makes the work very positive.
Mr. Bolden is the best teacher because he's thoughtful, he plays with everyone outside, he makes up the best games and with the best sports, and even if you want to give up, he doesn't let you give up.
Miss D is a great teacher because she helps us on online learning and she figures out new exciting ways to keep us active and having fun. So yeah, overall she's a good teacher.
So that concludes our final online assembly. We hope you all enjoyed it. Once again, a huge thank you to Wendy and to Miss Mortier for putting them together every week. We couldn't have done it without you. Happy World Teachers Day. Just want to reiterate that again to all of our wonderful teachers, those that were remote and when on site as well, and mixing it between the two. We've really appreciated your efforts, even more so during the last few months. So I hope you enjoyed what the children had put into this edition of the Assembly. And finally as well, thank you to all the families that have helped get their children online, helping with their work and being really supportive. We've all really appreciated it here at Fleetwood Primary and look forward to seeing everyone back together on Monday. Looking forward to it. Bye everyone.